Hey everyone, today we are going to learn about Adobe XD and we will take a session regarding how to create a user profile card in Adobe XD. So in the screen you are able to see some of the demo what we are going to create today. So this is the cards what we are going to create in Adobe XD. So let's jump into the video. Let's take a new artboard in the Adobe XD and we are starting now with the process. So here we are going to give a darker background. Then for user card we are taking the number for the user card. Let's give the width is equal to 250 and give height is equal to 204. Height would be 170. I think this would be the perfect size what we are going to create. Now let's give a round circle. If I'm zoom, you can see we are able to see the border of this particular object. So let's select and remove the border. Now it's a bit high corner. Let's do a normal corner. We'll give corner 12. Yeah, that's fine. Now let's create another button. The height would be 32 and the width would be 120. Yeah, that's fine. Now we need to realign it properly in the center and 20 pixel from the bottom. Now again to the bottom and we need to give the contact button corner, full corner. Now remove the border. Let's give a classy uh, button color, which we are giving this red. First let's give a color to this card. Let's do 510014. Yeah, a darker one, so it is just contrasting nicer one. Let's give us some small vibrancy to the color. Yeah, now let's create profile pic by pressing shift and alt key. Yeah, that's right. We'll create 100 by 100. Yeah, that's fine, perfect. Let's align it properly, center and properly aligned in the middle one. Yeah, I had downloaded certain headshots here. So let me drag this headshot into this. If you drag and drop, it will automatically set to your profile. If you see, we are able to see the border of this object. So by clicking on the object and let's remove the border, so it will settle down. Now let's give the text to the button connect. It would be 12 pixel regular and font would be popping. Yeah, that's right. And fill the color by white. Yeah, that is looking cool. Now let's realign in the middle. Now if this people is online, let's give a small online, that is this color. Yeah. So that means people is currently online. Now let's copy, let's paste. Let's show how many followers that give a smaller text and yeah, that is looking, and give the opacity to 50%. Now let's give perfect. So this is how you can create a user card. Now let's see some other variations here what we have created. These are the some other variations what we can easily create. So let's do it fast forward. I'm just copying the entire artboard here. I'm just changing the color to the lighter gray side. I'm just changing this color to the darker black side. In the same way, I'm changing this color, this, and I'm taking this headshot from here to here. Just double click and adjust the photo as per your requirement. By giving this, we are just going to create the another instance. Yeah. So this is the second color what you have created on the immediate basis. Now let's copy this again by pressing Alt. Yeah. Let's change the headshot from here. Let's copy. Yeah. And we are going to create the another variant of the blue color. Yeah, this is looking cool. So this is what we have created as of now. So isn't it cool, looking nice? Let's give some help by creating a vertical shot here. Yeah, that is looking nice. First let me rearrange these entire products here and take the little bit of front side. We will adapt this one only. Yeah, so let's give a smaller round corners. We will remove the border and fill the color by creating this. This we will do the group. We'll copy this and let's Control X, Control V. So it will be on the front. Take this again, copy. It is on the back side. Control X, Control V. Let's take this again. Control X, Control V, and this again. Control X, Control. So we have almost all the elements available here, but we need to resize it properly, and we need to add some more elements. So let me copy, group this. Let's copy this from here and give the name and the yeah, and do some boldness, semi bold. Yeah. Name. Yeah. We will also do it 80 by 80 and we'll change this to 16 by 16. So let's center line. Let's do the group again. So we can select center line, right? We can do the center line to this as well. We can do center line to this as well. Let's connect to 20 pixel. That looks right. Again, the line do that. First of all, yeah, perfect. We will group this, and then by selecting this, do this center alignment. Yeah, from here by pressing shift, we'll be able to get 10 pixel margin from the left. Yeah, so here we go. I think this is another one of the finance creation. Let's see, 20 pixel. Yeah, 15 pixel. Again, 20 pixel. Yeah. So let's create another variant. I think lighter color shade. This will change the headshot from here to there. Yeah. Name is again we are going to change to the some name, right? And we are going to change the color to the darker shades. And again, sorry, by control, and we are going to change this color to this one. And yeah, here we go. I think some of this great stuff we have already created. So I hope so you like this video, and going forward we will learn some more good tips and tricks in Adobe XD. Thank you and bye bye for now.